When I close my eyes and see the place I wanna be, it's got you right next to me, and you're in my arms. I can feel your skin on my...
You're now tuned into the people's DJ, the one and only DJ Arlo.
Te amo, she says to me. I hear it out in her voice. Bon appetit.
Okay, so listen. After exams, my brain was cooked. Like properly fried. Like sizzling on the pan fried. And I just needed a day where I wasn't thinking about deadlines or marks or stress, just something fun, something soft. Yeah. So I dragged my little brother out for a little bowling date. And yes, I literally mean I dragged him. Because he wasn't exactly jumping up and down with excitement, and he really didn't talk much the whole time, like in the vlog. But honestly, I didn't need him to. I just needed the vibes. I needed to be outside, laughing at myself, doing something random and light, and just feeling like me again. And I think that's what this day ended up being for me. A tiny reminder that self-care isn't always spa days and candles. Sometimes self-care is doing something silly, something unexpected, something that makes you breathe a little easier.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already so hard in my blunt is. I see guys' pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. No crib talk come through, it's time to break it in. 32 line my pants size, cause the niggas try to break it in. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute.
Come on, let me show you the world.
It's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, but I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush?
The bowling alley itself was actually so cozy. The lights, the sound of pins crashing, the weirdly warm air. It felt like such a nostalgic little pocket of peace, you know, like a place that isn't really aesthetic, but it's comfortably real. That was the vibe. And honestly, I kind of love that. Real environments, real moments, real life. I'm really just tired of everything needing to be this hyper curated aesthetic to be content worthy. Sometimes the simplest places have the softest energy. out there I was fighting for my life. I swear those pins had personal beef with me. Yeah. Every time I threw the ball, it was like the lanes were conspiring against my success. But I had fun, like genuine fun, the kind that sneaks up on you. We got a bit of food, we got fries and chicken nuggets, I think that's what they call them. Nothing crazy, just a little bite. But even that felt like part of the whole escape my stress mission. Like, okay, life might be a mess right now, but at least the fries, at least the food was fire. The fries were warm and the day felt good.
That you are and now you thought on a big say hi. Skating looks fun, guys. I'm coming back. Okay. I'll be back. I was gonna say I'll be back with one, but I wanna do pottery painting, and then we'll do a Q&A. It's just left, right, left, right.
And I think that's the magic of days like this. They're not grand, they're not planned, they're not perfectly aesthetic, but they research you in ways you don't expect. So yeah, here's my little chaotic, cozy days out. Nothing crazy, just me taking a break from literally everything. Choosing softness, choosing laughter, choosing to breathe a little deeper. Just me resetting my soul in the most random way possible.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only feel like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. Not this sound, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fine like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime,
Sound good, what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here out for myself.
Alright, my loves, this is me checking out from my little boating adventure. I hope watching me live my cute, chaotic little life reminds you to slow down, breathe, and actually choose yourself a little more. Before you go, here's my question of the day. What's one small act of self-care you feel God has been gently nudging you towards? Maybe it's rest, maybe it's speaking kindly to yourself, maybe it's just letting grace meet you exactly where you are. Let me know in the comments down below. I love hearing your hearts. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, besties.